Welcome to Bundobust Brewery. We're here today for the Homebrew Brew Day. We're joining Dan and the team here at Bundobust. As you can see, it's all quiet now. No one in here enjoying the amazing food. We're going to be back there brewing a fantastic hoppy wheat beer. Really looking forward to today, and we're going to introduce you to some of the people involved, such as Alix from Lallemand and, of course, our homebrew winner.
We're here at Bundobust today. We're brewing a beer with the homebrew winner from the SIBA Awards. And we're using the Lallemand wheat yeast. Kind of is more towards white IPA style. He's tried to exemplify some of the banana flavours from it. You can do this yourself by making sure you're adding plenty of nutrients, fermenting with no head pressure, as well as reducing your mash temperature and increasing your fermentation temperature. It should be able to exemplify a lot more of those banana and clove and ester characteristics.
It's been really nice. Obviously, you get kind of a bit blind to what you're doing, so it's really nice to have a completely new perspective and kind of explain what you spend all your time doing, and then to have a different kind of creative mind come at it as well. And with Alix as well, that's been super helpful just to kind of put the whole thing together, and hopefully he's going to have a really nice day with us.
I wanted something that was packed a little bit of punch, but not too much. Wanted something that was drinkable. I wanted something soft, something with a bit of, like with the German yeast, bringing a bit of like the banana esters kind of thing and that kind of flavour. For me, obviously as a home brewer, 19 litre batches to then come today with the big shiny machine that you've probably got the shots of already. It's been fantastic. Very daunting to begin with, but Dan's been fantastic at explaining everything to me. What does what, where things go. Really looking forward to trying the final product. To be able to see that in all the restaurants, all the Bundobust restaurants, really looking forward to that. Be a little proud moment, bring my wife and family and hopefully enjoy it.
We'll be putting Matt's beer into all the Bundobust restaurants, so both Manchester, Leeds, Liverpool, Birmingham, and we're hoping to get a keg of it over to one of Matt's locals as well, so he can show off his beer to all his buddies.